Abantu banomona. Ayibo. Owani umona ongaka? Engikwaziyo, ningangiphikisa phela nje kuma comment kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi umnyeni unkosi Sanishele ningamqoma nina. Ngiyanibuka nje nibhala ukuthi imali enjani, imali ye-fraud enjani, umuntu uphila soft life. Yourself uyafuna ungena ecathulweni zaleli lethu boyena, uyafuna. Namanje futhi uyafuna. Namanje nje uyafuna. Yourself, you wanna be that girl. You wanna have saloons and own farms and own ube namagutsho enze BBL. You want that. But manje nibhala niyagxeka, nizenza izinto nje engcono. Indaba futhi ngazabona umuntu one X5 none stays ebhala ezitatus. Hlezi ngizobhala abantu abanganatho. Ngeke ngizombona umuntu osezingeni ebhala. Ohlezi ukubhala abangekho ezingeni. Ungani owani umona? Owani nje umona? Hayi imali corruption. Ungayeka wena asukuthiwa nayi izandleni zakhe imali ye-fraud iki. Imali kahulumeni ilahlile. Ungayiyeka yini? Ungazenze ngcono la. Ngoba wena izinto zikude nawe zihambela kude nawe. Uzufunga nalutho. Wawuhlezi ucabangana nezinto ezimbi. Izinto ezihle nje azizi ngakwe noma hayi. Into ephuma emlonyeni wakho hayi. Ixoshela kude i-wealth. Manje sengibusa amavidiyo amadala engane. Like angazi nina. Vele ke abanye bena bakazi baphakama isidalo nje. Kusamile nje kusalokhu kuphansi. Kuyimpilo nje ukuthi impilo ithi iphinde ithi izophinde futhi ithi wesike ufundile ngamuntu enikhuluma ngaye. Fundile. Unento azowela kuyona. Wena nokugxeka nokubhala istatus ku social media. Khona inozohola wena pheleni kwenyanga. Sengivusa amavidiyo amadala engane yabantu ijabulele. Kuyi part of life nje ukuthi namhlanje kuba kuhle kusasa kube imuncu uphinde futhi kube right. Siyayazi thina impilo ke. Siyayazi nje ukuthi iyaba up and down. Ayihlezi into eyodwa. Ayi manje nina uyabona nje nomuntu ophawula nje out of umona. Hayi kulela ngisengayifisa nje impilo yakhe. Ngisengayifisa nje. Impilo yakhe right ke ine graduate phakathi. Cabanga kusubela esikoleni. List yena ngabalansile ngomuntu osilisa kuphela. Unayi graduate angafola back. Angithi udokotela noma yini uright ugel. Wena ndaba zabantu uzowelapha makuthiwa indoda ayisekho. Unayo yini yona ukuthi indoda ekwenza izinto ezinhle? Khona noma njalo phela kwenyanga kufanele ulola inhlamba yami suna kumhlathi wakho babo wengane. Cha mthi ingane igqoka ama-pampers. Ucabanga idleni ingane emsunu wakho nje iyona nje into ohlale fanele uyikhuluma ngoba vele umlomo wakho nje awukho nje vele ekutholeni izinto ezinhle manje vele uhlezi ucabanga.
Cha yena le comment bengiyimisele bandla ngokuyiziba shame. Bengiyimisele ngokuyiziba ngigcine ukuthi okay but umona wani manje wentombazana Angela Khanyile owani le ndaba lena iseyindabeni iundaba mlonyeni njengamanje. Firstly it touches on issue imali etapiwe yaka Eskom. Akuthina abantu base South Africa sibheke nenkinga yokubiza kwagesi. Thina lower class akuthina. Ngithuleke uzothi nginomona ngehashi ngenxa ukuthi ngiphawula mayelana nemali etapiwe yaka Eskom ekade yatapa. Umona. No, it's a pressing issue, my babe. Nakhona I did not sub the wife. I'm saying, why use this money that you've now embezzled recklessly? Like, why are you buying a horse? It's these things that frustrates us as the public because you've embezzled the funds, yes. Usuthengi yashi. This is not me subbing the wife. I'm not subbing her wife, and I'm not rejoicing in her downfall. Also, it's not her downfall. She's just, her husband is being investigated. Hazelund. Right now, I'm talking about the issue. Yeah, SIU, where they're investigating a possible corrupt individual that has embezzled funds that have to do with the Eskom. Eskom lo hlukumeza thina. Umoni niyakuthanda kodwa ukukhukhumeza into ebhedayo niyakuthanda angani mhlawumbe ufuna mhlawumbe angazi ufuna mhlawumbe ucapha uzokucaphunela ke okomnotho angazi ayi cha thanda ukubuka ngathi nini
hayibo baze baboshwa abantu bokwenza intando yokubi baze baboshwa usho kodwa ukuthi hayi kulokho kuthiwa hayi bathwele abakhwabanisi bokudayisa izinto ngamanani aphezulu zibe zidayisa ngamanani aphansi baze baboshwa azaboshwa amabhiliyoni Jesu umuntu uzokephumula inkosi yami emaklabhini ilabo cricket abagijima nabaphodlela abizayo ke kuyosuswa isigudluzo ecishwe ingoma eklabhini kuthiwa shout out angazi to bani sizoke siphumule nje uNkulunkulu wami Jesu nalamantombazana adunsa sizokuyiqhoke nalezi ingane manje mezima eklabhini boshiwe manje abadoda baze baboshwa ayiqiniseke kuthiwa yonke into nesikhasayo konke okwenzayo ngaphansi komthunzi welanga siyeza isikhathi ukuthi kuvele konke nikwenze kusithakeleni leyo khanya ilanga kuyovela futhi nje abonkosi yami abathi bebesuka eGoli bezila eThekwini mina mase kuthiwa kuvalwa amehlo ngingabakhomba nje abantu engibasolayo baze baboshwa abantu bazaboshwa insizwa wemadoda abantu bayatshontshelaani abantu ngoba phela manje uyabona abanye abantu abanye ukuthi banezimali ezinkulu nezimoto nezimizi umuntu usuke esethi umuntu uthi imali awuneli imali ayinelisani engathi ungathola lenye phezukweni baboshwa abakhwabanisi.
My husband just bought me a horse.
A horse.
Imali yokwebiwa mfazi.
Uthenga u200 worth of gas ubuye 80 rand. As I was so shocked. 100 rand u40 units. What nonsense is that? Kodwa wakho uNkulunkulu mkhulu ngalo 120 that is missing in between.
Think about it. We had favorite load shedding slots.
Hayibo. Guys.
Nina
it really
nise
is that-
Paris.
And ayiphelele kulento
Nisa.
kaGesi. Ayiphelele kulento kaGesi nole lethu mfethu. Khona imali za NSFAS zengane owakho uNkulunkulu mkhulu ngeNSFAS wengane. Wakho uNkulunkulu mkhulu ngemali yempesheni yogogo. Hayibo. Small girl big God. Ngemali yempesheni.
Hayi bafazi. Ngithi mina akuboshwe wonke umuntu nengane.
Hayibo.
Ingane ngithi naliyachiwe khona.
Triphu.
Leyanto akuboshwe konke nengane.
Ingane abantu zikhishwe ekoleni eziright ngoba nakho abantu were laid out of their jobs kuze amabhizinisi kade ngaqhubeka ingane drive ijeep lengane eyakho ingane.
Sine load shedding
Yeah,
you're fleecing the country.
Lethi begqoka ganda bamabhalensi yaka. Hayi ngeke guys, ayingeke.
Bafazi.
Ayingeke.
Siphi na apha? Siphi? Ngithi akuboshwe konke nengane mina.
Ayina yedwa lelethi. Baningi. Awe,
Akuboshwe konke.
Soloko ngithi nje Nkosi yami,
Nayi.
usukulonke.
While we are still speaking about corruption and the SIU freezing assets, we should stop calling these people who steal businessmen, right? Because by calling them businessmen, you are providing them credibility. And there is nothing businessmen like about these people. Their business model is stealing, right? They bring zero business skills, they bring zero ethical conduct, they bring zero business acumen. There is nothing businessmen like about them, right? They are cheating the system. They are gaming the system, right? And maybe I don't understand English. Maybe my grasp of English is poor. But to earn the title of being a businessman or a businesswoman, you have to be an entrepreneur, right? And what do entrepreneurs do? They solve problems, right? They solve societal problems, right? They build their businesses based on a societal problem and solving that problem. These guys, they don't solve problems. They create problems by stealing, right? And here's how these guys do business, right? They set up a business, register it, right? That business has no physical address, right? It has no employees. Nobody is hired in that business. And that business does not even have any business activity. Such companies are known as shell companies, meaning that they exist on paper, but really they're just dormant. Nothing happens. And they're often registered, to facilitate corruption. That's what happened during COVID and the PPE tenders that were given. You have a company that was, registered 3 weeks ago, has no track record in supplying PPE, and suddenly games the system and gets PPE tenders. So there's nothing businessman-like about these people. In fact, when you call them a businessman, you guys are giving them credibility. So stop calling them businessmen. These guys are thieves. They thrive on thievery.
I think you guys have lost the plot, because dragging Uleleti for the corruption in her husband and now she was benefiting is valid. Dragging her for a video I post yellow cheating is valid. But questioning her qualification, Kathleen, guys, so personal. Because now I feel like you guys are more angry at her than being angry at corruption. And you are now questioning the credibility of the institution. Like saying, do you think no hotel? Because manje there is a shift. As akusakhuluma indaba yogesi manje, so indaba yelokhu njani ye qualification. And you can easily Google it. But what is homeopathy? Uno ChatGPT, uno Google, unano Meta. Is it Meta? Do you call it Meta or Meta? Lapha ku WhatsApp wakho. Come on, guys.
Ulele Tinkosi wenza ivideo ethi yena ecela ukubuza i-load shedding injani lapha eSouth Africa mina ngoba ngazi angikho vele ngiphesheya washo kanjalo ngiyayikhumbula le video la ngani yenza yes yazi lento le ngenze ngacabanga ukuthi awule ngane isho sonke isikhathi ayazi vele ukuthi vele kudliwa yona le mali allegedly ka Eskom kudliwa yona le mali ka Eskom senziwe ilima thina yazi abanye abantu fethu yazi indlela ugesi obiza ngayo akunankinga nama lifestyle abantu but hayi abanye abantu banesibindi ngempela yazi indlela ugesi obiza ngayo I'm sure futhi khona abantu abalala bengenawo ugesi hayi ngoba bengawuthengi but ugesi uyabiza bafethu ugesi uyabiza and like ugesi uyabiza mfethu ugesi ka 100 rand 5 days munenhlanhla futhi u5 uka 100 rand ugesi u5 days singa understand ukuthi indaba South Africa is not like imali lokwenza izinto ayikho bayayithatha beyidle nalengane le isidlala ngathi ebusweni futhi uyabona yayibuza ugesi unjani lapha South Africa itshela thina lokho hayi lengane lena hayi mina ngiyazi ngiphelelwa amazwi lo indlela logesi nathi lokhu ngicabanga ngathi logesi ufaka manje yes phele 4 days uphinde futhi ufaka phele 4 days uphinde futhi ufaka like logesi mfethu yazi logesi mfethu ngenyanga uspenda mhlawumbe for ugesi spend imali enkulu mina ngcono ke ngihlala ngedwa kangakanani ukuhlala nabantu fethu hayi olele Tinkosi abayidlila imali ka Eskom allegedly yawu hayi banesibindi bo hayi banesibindi yazi inkinga la akusiwona ugovernment, it's not like ama-funds okwenza izinto South Africa wekho, ngisho ukulungisa imigwaqo, imali yokulungisa imigwaqo ikhona, ngisho imali ama-public hospitals ikhona, imali ka-Eskom ikhona, kunabantu abayithathayo imali, anginankinga nokuyithatha kwabo, kodwa usungathenzile imabukhoma pho. Ngcono futhi umuntu oyidla imali isingamboni, wena siyakubona nenkomo engaka hayi esayiyo ayithathe kwankomo leyo, ayithathe kwankomo leyo. Indlela logesi ongicasula ngayo, indlela indaba kalogesi enginyanyisa ngayo, because it's like akwazi ngathi ugesi ka-100 noma ka-200 kuphuma 30 watts 30 watts uthi wenza 30 watts nakhona futhi mehlezi nemali yokuthi ugesi ubeke ecele, imali kagesi eceleni, uma ingekho usenjeni naze ngasiphilisa kabuhlungu wele leti hayi naze ngasiphilisa kabuhlungu, anginankinga nokuphilisa kabuhlungu. Usuze uyasivezela-ke manje, uyasivezela bukhoma. Le video leyo benginganakile kwandile siphelele kuma-stories wakhe ku-Instagram, uvele wayiveza nayo le video, naye iyamcasula. Yazi vele ngayibona unayo le video lenganele kanti kwakuyiyona lengane ka-Eskom. Hawu bathi imali yombani, hawu madoda hayi South Africa ayizilunge, mina ngoba sengishilo ngiyayiphenza South Africa ilunge.
Cishe nathatha iy'nyoka nithi abantu bathwele kanti bayatshontsha kanti baye badiyegebengu. Thatha lento ayinabungozi imadlanga, hayi thatha lento ayinabungozi mkhwanazi abe akuphi. Athathe amaphepha lomnye umfana kanti lomnye umfana uyathi isebentela kaphazamisa umuva athathe amaphepha we. I've never been so grateful for my life. Look, God has done one. Yazin. Take a moment today to congratulate yourself. You've made it to where you are in life with no affiliations, no sugar daddies, no looting, no criminal activity whatsoever. Look at you. Look at you. Everything is rigged against us. The system, everything in the system is rigged. But look at us now. Honestly, just waking up every morning and trying. I take 5. 7 there.
Ayabo le saying lethi nje ungayihaleli impilo yomuntu. Bafethu, hlezi sikhuluma lethu. Ungayihaleli nje impilo yomuntu. Impilo yomuntu nje mfethu ungayihaleli. Awumazi lo muntu mfethu ukuthi ubukhazikhazi ukuthole kanjani, makwenze njani. And yabona the thing about us black people is that the minute sibuthola ubukhazikhazi sifuna ukuzogcwalisela omunye umuntu omnyama ukuthi ya sengikhona sengifikile egamini ngingcono kunani mina zintsha. Impilo yomuntu ungayihaleli nje impilo yomuntu mfethu. Hayi ngeke fana hayi si right sidle uphuthu nje mfethu nenkabishi makuuthi uNkulunkulu asibusile ngezimali hayi ku right leyo mtshontsha hayi mina Fethu, you can be anything. About Fethu, you can be anything. Yabo nje being a thief. Uyantshontsha. Hayi bafethu ngeke bafethu. Ngeke. Manje kufanele sikudabukele. Ngeke sikudabukele. Ngeke nje sisikudabulele khohlwa. And it's not that we're gloating over ukuthi mhlambe usubanjiwe ke ngezinto zakho kodwa uyantshontsha ubuntshontselani wena. Siyilima thina. Ithina abaxhaka nje basingantshontshe nje ithina iduphunga. Hayi bafethu hayi ngempela singayihaleli nje mfethu impilo zabantu. Hayi asingayihaleli nje impilo zabantu. Kanti amadoda enenza nje njoba picnic njoba nenza one go social media. Ayikho indawo engayihambi. Hayi dlo Gucci head to toe mina kade nidla imali zethu. Niqede lapho nizozenza ngcono ngathi. Hayi nina.
Amaqanda amaHotman namhlanje amaqanda amasela. Kumbulani nithi nemaqanda amaHotman usho nemaqanda amasela. Neyakumbuloni nithi nemaqanda amaHotman nisho nemaqanda amasela. Nisho ngenkunzi balanga zobhuthe kubiyimbali enkulu. Nisho ngoPush Pleasant. Kunomuntu owali indoda yakhe le imthanda. Isebenzisa okungamandla ayo. Ngobani ayinayo le mali leyo ukuthi aphile labo push bani nisifakele ipressure ebolile maqanda esigebengu maqanda emgulukudu
And if corruption doesn't upset you because you think it has nothing to do with you, let me put it to you like this. If this man is either making or buying a single relay unit for 150 South African rand and is reselling it to Eskom for 50,000 South African rand, who do you think is paying that difference? Spoiler alert, it's you, chum. Leo difference, Leo mark up, not 50%, not 100%, not 200%, not 1,000%. Leo markup got 33,233% is being paid by you. So no matter how upset you think you are, you need to be more upset.
Small girl, big corruption. Luxury and lifestyle content, unchecked corruption and greed has driven this country to economic ruin and continues to violate human rights. People are so poor in this country, not because of their own doing, but because we are being led and exploited by criminals. So then our hard-earned money as South Africans is going towards funding sugar babies. Our hard-earned money that we're sacrificing our physical and mental health for, sleepless nights, ridiculous inhumane hours, for such little salaries compared to how much they require of us. Imagine you're funding the lifestyles of people who think 17 houses, 4 Lamborghinis of the same color, and Gemelli every weekend in Sandton is worth your human life. People are literally dying in hospitals because they are so under-resourced. And most of the illnesses that people come to us as doctors to treat in hospitals are due to their socioeconomic and class background. Nonetheless, even the treatments we prescribe are not conducive because they go home to no power. How do you store your medications if they need to be stored in a fridge? How do you take your medications if they require that you eat first? There's no food. They can't afford food, let alone afford to be sick because they work minimum wage jobs. And that's if they're lucky. Most of them are unemployed. And that's not because there are no job opportunities that can be created in this country. That's because corruption and greed is stealing all the money that we should be using to create job opportunities and resuscitating a dwindling economy. Post-democracy, this country had so much potential, and it's been driven to the ground by actual animals. Animals who are insatiable, who are never satisfied. All they do is consume and consume and consume and face no consequences whatsoever. And the biggest insult to our faces is their beneficiaries, who are even flaunting it all over social media for us to see. And the glorification of luxury and lifestyle content without interrogating how can people logically afford so much in such a short space of time with no qualifications or some sort of tangible proof that can explain how they're able to splurge the way that most South Africans cannot, despite working so hard and even spending so much years investing in trying to build some sort of financial longevity. These are people who are traveling the world whilst we can't even afford to travel locally. These are people who are in and out of luxury stores buying luxury branded clothing, shoes, items, whilst we can barely afford groceries. These are people who couldn't even care to improve hospital infrastructure whilst they would never step foot in a public hospital. Corruption is a global problem. There's seldom ever leaders who are not corrupt. However, the level of which South Africa's corruption has reached is unheard of, because at least other corrupt leaders would care to maintain the country, would care to build schools, build hospitals, build clinics, would care to ensure that hospitals are resourced, would care to ensure that the economic value of the country is not so severely compromised to a point where basically middle class, poor, Black South Africans are carrying the country on their back, whilst a small minority are just eating and eating and eating and eating at their expense. Of course, the country is the way that it is. It all makes sense. And the way that we do not demand that these people are arrested or face proportionate consequences that match the severity and extent of their crimes. The fact that we're complacent and even worship them because we secretly envy those lifestyles. If we were in the position to benefit, of course we would. Young women are constantly in comments saying, "Ooh, I wish I could live like you. Ooh, girl, you are my inspiration. Ooh, girl, this and that." Your inspiration is a sugar baby who never even tried in her life to earn anything, who doesn't even understand the concept of hard work, the concept of earning things, because it's always been handed to her. All she had to do is be in proximity to a tenderpreneur or a corrupt politician or a businessman who's benefiting from being in close proximity with corrupt politicians or tenderpreneurs. It's just hell in this country. Because whilst some of us are working tirelessly hours and hours and hours and hours, we are being subjected to daylight robbery. Our parents are being harassed by SARS every day just so people can pay for
Geza South Africa
usunyuke ngalendlela yokuthi iningi labantu liyabona ukuthi sekunzima ukuthenga. Indlela elula ukuthi simane siwugogodele. Kokoteliwe ugesi eSouth Africa. Hayi ngoba abantu base South Africa benenhloso ingoba ugesi abasawu afford. Ugesi usiyiluxury eSouth Africa. Ngenxa yabantu abadli imali eqondene nogesi. Omunye wabo nangu uSiyabonga uGoodwill wakaNkosi. uSiyabonga uGoodwill wakaNkosi uphiko lolaka SIU lumbambele impahla yakhe ekuyimizi ewu17 nezimoto ezu7. Uhlobo lwezimoto eziphambili ke lezi amaLamborghini amabili kanjalo nama Porsche, yonke inhlobo yama Porsche. Siyabonga ke ubesebenza kuma province amathathu okuyi KZN, iGauteng kanye neMpumalanga. Esebenza neziteshi ezimbili zakwa Eskom, ukusile power station neMandla power station. Siyabonga ke ubesebenza ngeinkampani zakhe ezintathu ethengisela uEskom olunye uhlobo lokusebenza noma lokusebenza kwaEskom olubizwa ngerelay. Irelay le iyinye ibiza imali ebizayo ibiza u450 bese kuthi cheap ibuye ibize imali eyila ku150. Qaqela ukuthi usiya ubenze njani yena. Bedayisela uEskom ngayinye ayibize u50,000. Ya 50,000. Ingakho ke imali ize yahlangana lemali u76 million. ESouth Africa imali asiyibali ngama100 njengathi nangama1000, ibalwa ngama-million. Le mali ezilahlekayo zama-million izona lezi imali zethu, izona lezi ezenza ukuthi singakwazi ukuba nogesi so afford. Iningi lethu labantu base South Africa kuyabaphoqa ukuthi bagcine bekwazi behambile bayokokotela ugesi ngoba usuyiluxury kubona. Usiyabonga wenze njalo. Ungabona abanye abantu bephila impilo ephezulu nabanye bezama iminyaka ngeminyaka befisa nabo ukuba nempilo engcono. Umuntu azagcine ezibulela omunye ngoba eyibiza ngesihluleke ethi uyahluleka ngoba ebona abanye bephumelela. Abanye akunjalo, baphumelela ngamaqhubenye. This time baphumelela ngeTax yethu. Umkhandlu ke iSIU uphiko lolu unit le ebamba impahla noma ingabophi nje ifrizileke noma ibophile lezi impahla yathi no siyabonga manje buyisela impahla lezi kuthina siyayibamba. Ubenza kanjani ke uSiyami? Into abayenza yena ube hambisa ama invoice angafiki lapha kwimillion ukuze angabanjwa aloku eqhubekile nje. Mesizofika kwimillion ayihambise invoice kanjalo. Okunye futhi eminye imithetho le yamathenda ubengayilandeli, ubeyijomba. Iyona leyo mthetho aphinde futhi ayibambe nezinamba zabantu ekuthengwa kona le material le ukuthi ubengenayo icompetition. Kangangokuthi bayithenge kakhulu lempahla le, kangangokuthi enye ibingenaso isidingo. Ihlezi nje kuwona lamadepho iyarasta ngoba bekufanele ayitholile le tender. Izinto ezenzeka eSouth Africa lezo. Siyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Kunenzaba le-trendako yaSiyabonga Nkosi lekuyindoda yaleli dinkosi and there are people who are saying ukuthi hayibo abantu bane-jealous banemona ngini ngazuthi nina beningenidla imali ye-corruption nethi ngobe nina nado dinhlanhla ukuthola leyo mali leyo nani beniyoyidla. Stop judging uleledi bekumele into enjani and kufaka phakathi uMiss Bhengu naye usho njalo uMrs Bhengu rather uthi uMrs Bhengu ninomona nhloshwa mona ningi into engazuthi nini beningeke nize niyichawe imali ye-corruption. And people are saying ukuthi ayibo, you are missing your a point gogo, you are really missing a point. Akusiyo mayelana nendzaba yemona le sikhulumela mayelana nendzaba yokudura kwagezi, nendzaba ye-tax yethu ledliwa budlapha nje yiluthwa. What do you mean uma uthi wena thina sinemona sinejelasi ngoba ngilomnye umuntu wesifazane simfisela mona sesiyamdreka? Awuyiboni wena kahle kahle into le wrong leyendekile lana? Wena ubona ngazuthi ku right ukuthi basicole timali while we work so hard for leto timali leto? Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.